Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in. If you've ever found yourself recreating the same Notion page over and over, wishing you could save time and keep things organized with a reusable template, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to save a page as a template in Notion. By the end, you'll be able to quickly add structured pages to your workspace, whether it's for tracking homework, setting up routines, or capturing anything you want with ease. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to create a table where you can use your template. Start off by typing our table view into a new Notion page or wherever you want to organize your information. As soon as you hit enter, Notion will create a fresh table for you. This is the playground where your templates will live. Tables are great for sorting and viewing lots of entries at a glance, so it's perfect for things you do regularly, like tracking assignments or projects. Now, look for the New button right beside your table at the top. You'll see a little drop-down arrow next to it. Go ahead and click that. This drop-down holds your templates. And since we want to make one from scratch, select New Template. Think of this like setting up a master copy. Every time you use it, you'll get a fresh page with the structure you set up here. For our demo, let's say you want a homework tracking template. Start by editing the header, naming it Homework. Headers help you quickly identify what the template is about, so it's a good idea to keep them clear and relevant. Next, let's add some properties to make your template really useful. You'll want to keep track of when assignments are created, so add a date property, or as Notion suggests, name it Created Time. To do this, just add a new property, set its type to Date, and name it as you like. Being able to see when an entry was made is super handy for tracking deadlines or seeing your progress over time. Let's make your template visually fun too. You can add an icon to the page. It's a small touch, but having a visual cue can help you recognize your templates faster. Just click the Add Icon button and pick something that matches the theme, maybe a book or notebook for homework. Now for organization, add a checklist for your subjects. This is great for breaking tasks down into steps, like listing math, English, or science assignments. Inside the template editor, choose Checklist and jot down some sample subjects. Of course, you'll be able to customize these each time you use the template. Once you're happy with how the template looks, click outside the editor to save it. Don't worry if you missed something. You can always go back and tweak the template later to suit your workflow. Ready to use your new template? Just go back to that little drop-down next to New. You'll see your template listed there. Click it, and Notion instantly adds a new entry to your table or checklist, complete with all the structure and details you set up earlier. It's like copying a perfect recipe each time, saving you tons of effort. And really, that's all there is to it. You can customize your template however you like to fit your exact needs. Maybe you want to add more properties, swap icons, or use it for something totally different. Notion templates are wonderfully flexible. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or want to share how you use templates in Notion, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!